up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it up, no sleep, might crash, might wreck, but first die, stretch, tell them run it up.
Yo, what's good YouTube family, what's good Does Nation, Sock Fat, man. So this is a video that actually a couple of people have requested me to do, talking about how to find fulfillment in life, or how to escape the matrix, whatever your matrix is. And so in this video, I'm gonna talk about at least ways that helped me escape the matrix and enabled me to be able to live a lifestyle that's fulfilling to me. And so everybody has their own idea of what is fulfilling to them, right? And so in terms of the matrix, what is the matrix? Most people consider the matrix to be the West, you know what I'm saying? The rat race, the fast life, whatever. Pretty much having the American dream of working for like 50 years and then you retire, get your pension, have the whole white picket fence with the dog and everything like that, and pretty much slaving your life away and not truly having freedom or fulfillment. And so a lot of people are stuck in the rat race. I know I was stuck in the rat race just 2 years ago. I was struggling working 3 9-to-5 jobs, and you know, thank God now, you feel me, I'm in a position to where I'm able to live in any country I want and do what I want when I want, and still be able to earn an income at home while sleeping, and also be able to meet a lot of high vibe individuals, connect, and just really be fulfilled, man. I'm very grateful because I put in the work. And so I want to talk to you guys about what I did and what you can do. So if you are somebody right now and you're at a job that you hate, or you're in a situation that you hate, you can easily change your life around, because life is all about choices. And a good friend of mine always says, you always have the choice to do something, just make sure that you're ready for the consequences. And so we have to hold ourselves accountable for our current situation in life. And so everything that you see outside of you right now is a direct representation and manifestation of what you believe internally. What's good, family? So I'm gonna get back into the video, but I want to thank today's sponsor, Manscaped, and I want to talk to you guys today about the Lawnmower 3.0. I personally have been using this blade for over a year. You guys know that by now. And this is honestly what I use to groom my stomach, you know what I'm saying? The sack, all that, you know what I mean? Fellas, gotta get yourself right. Ladies too, you can't have the bush out. We know by now, you cannot have the bush. It's 2021, man, so make sure that you clean yourself up. And also, Manscaped has a replacement blade for the Lawnmower 3.0, and it has a light, as I've told you guys before, so you can shave in the dark, man. So make sure to click the link in my description and also my comment section for 20% off your entire order. You guys have heard me talk about Manscaped. I've been rocking with them for a minute now, man, and I use this joint every single week. So thank you, Manscaped, once again for the sponsorship. I appreciate what you guys are doing over there. Let's get back to the video, man. I have to take off the glasses, man, you feel me? But yeah, so basically what I did to just be able to have a little bit more freedom. Of course, I'm nowhere near where I want to be yet in life, but I'm thankful that I'm not where I was. Is the first thing I always tell clients that I consult is that you have a unique set of experiences, and you guys have always hear me say this, but you have a unique set of experiences that you can monetize. Everybody has been through something that they could share with somebody. And for example, for me, I had an expertise on cooking plant-based food. I had an expertise on knowledge of herbs and certain remedies, and education on how the body works, you know what I'm saying, kinetically, how it moves. And so I put all of this knowledge that I got into ebooks, and so I've been able to capitalize off of what I've learned and be able to offer and provide a service to other people. And so basically what I've done was I monetized something that I already possessed. And so you possess something. Everybody possesses some knowledge that people need that people don't have. You have something that I don't have, I have something that you don't have, so we can all provide a service or goods to each other and be fulfilled. And so what I did was simply look at, okay, first of all, I have to become a better person. How can I continuously grow and educate myself and evolve? And then what do I already know that I can provide in the form of service of value to somebody? And so that's what I did. And so that started with me starting my channel. That started with me starting my business, training clients in person in the gym, training people online through Zoom, giving people consultations on, you know, my brand is about the mind, body, and spirit, so I also do consultations for spiritual talks, counseling, things of that nature, you feel me? On top of that, I speak multiple languages, so I was able to reach out or connect with different people, you know what I'm saying? And so with that, I figured out how can I serve, and that's the biggest thing. Once you figure out how you can serve, you're gonna be able to bring in that monetary benefit, because I know a lot of people wanna make money, a lot of people wanna quit their job and leave their job and leave their current situation, but they feel stuck, and they have it's not always that they have a lack of knowledge, because in 2021, you know what I'm saying, or even just in the past few years, we've had access to more knowledge than human beings have ever had, and so the resources are at your hand for free. YouTube is at your hand for free. Google is at your hand for free, but you have to capitalize on that. And if you're not capitalizing on that, you know, unfortunately, a lot of people are just gonna sit down and scroll on social media and consume content, watching people living their best life, meanwhile you're not living your best life. And so I always tell people, if you have social media, you might as well post, you might as well create content, you might as well add value to somebody, because as long as you're serving people, as long as you're adding value, the universe, whatever you choose to subscribe to, God, whatever religion, is always gonna multiply that tenfold. You know what I'm saying? It's always gonna reciprocate that energy, because regardless of what you believe in, energy always reciprocates. And so what you give out, what you put out into the world, is what you're gonna get back. And so your current lifestyle, as I was saying earlier, your current life, if you look outside of yourself and look at the kind of situation that you're in, is a direct representation of what you believe subconsciously. Your thoughts, your most intimate thoughts that you truly believe is being manifested. And so I always tell people, watch who you hang around, watch what type of content or media you consume, because that can affect our brains, that can affect how we move, how we think, how we operate. And so I wanted to make this quick video for y'all to just share with you guys how you can break out of the matrix. First thing is to start thinking about yourself. Actually start to love on yourself, honor yourself every day with, you know, small acts, whether that be just making sure that you stay in shape, making sure that you're doing something that brings you joy every day. Don't let people squeeze you dry, and don't let people control your life. If somebody else wants you to do something and you don't want to do it, don't do it. Don't let other people's opinions dictate or have dominion over how you live your life. And so that's what I had to learn. And then moving forward, I had to just do what made me happy and figure out what was my purpose. How could I help people? And I realized that I'm the most happy when I'm helping people live a healthier lifestyle, mentally, physically, emotionally, all the above. And so that's what my particular expertise is. You gotta find out what yours is, you feel me? And so that's really all I wanted to talk to you guys about today. Let me know down below how you guys feel about this. Again, like I said, a lot of people have contacted me, asking me, yo, thank you for saying this, thank you for saying that, but I see what you're doing, like you're traveling to different countries and you're doing this, and I want to do that, but I'm stuck at a job and I have, you know, like a family. There's a lot of people that's also stuck in bad relationships that they are not happy in and they feel unfulfilled. If you're not happy with something, simply leave. I know a lot of people are gonna say it's not that simple, but yes, it is that simple, okay? If you're stuck in a relationship right now and you guys both live together and you don't have any money, you can honestly do anything to grind. It may be a year, it may be 2 years, but you can get that money and you can leave. You just have to be all in, full throttle. And a lot of people lack that stamina, that stamina to keep pushing for what they truly want, because it's gonna be many days, many months, even maybe years that it's very difficult, but you have to keep the end goal in mind. And so for me, I keep the end goal in mind. I've always said that, you know, my goal is to build a school in Haiti that actually teaches kids ways to actually create income for themselves, and that actually teaches them real history and real things that they can apply so that they can be able to support their family and also put money back into my country. You know what I mean? And so that's one of my biggest drivers. I have other goals as well, personal goals as well, that I work towards every single day. And so I'm reminded of these things when I wake up and I meditate and I read my goals. So, you know, this is how you break out of the matrix. You make a decision and then you offer service to people. It may take a couple of months, a year or two. For me, I've been on social media for about 3-4 years now. And so you offer service, you figure out how to monetize what you already have, and you continuously evolve and educate yourself so that you can steer the people that are supporting you in the right way. And you want to do it with integrity, honesty, and above all, empathy, and honestly, compassion. You understand what I'm saying? So this is how you do it, man. So thank you for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, share, all the other YouTube stuff that all these people ask for, man. And if you enjoy the content, just engage with me down below and let me know how you feel, man. Peace.